I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. So recently the market's been up and down, and last week I lost a ton with SVXY. Saw that happen, so I was just dealing with that loss and looking at the chart over here. So I was in around 110 and averaged down to about 95, and then I just fell to 1150 or so right over there. So what happened was, this basically tracks the volatility of the markets, and the inverse of this is UVXY. So the markets just crashed and went down, and this is basically good for when the markets are up and markets are stable. But I guess I didn't do too much of my research and I got screwed on this one. And I was basically going long on this one. I was just adding on the dips, and it would have been fine if the markets didn't crash so much. So this was basically a scam, and the SEC didn't halt it. So there's a lawsuit going on this one. So I've just been dealing with that loss on that one this whole week and last week as well. So I'm just trying to get back in the game and keep going because life goes on. Alright, so first of all, we'll go ahead over here. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe to my channel. My subscribers have been growing. Let's try and push this up to 2,000 and keep going. And click the bell button next to it to stay notified of my new videos. And if you haven't enjoyed my Discord chat room, I've called out all my swing trades on this one, and also post charts right here showing the technical analysis and all my swing trading alerts. Like I did call out some this week, and also have my watch list and my swing trading watch list, and also do my long-term investing over here. I mainly focus on swing trading and long-term investing because that's usually what people do. I'm not really much of a day trader here. I just don't get the time, and I don't have too much good luck with that one, or too much knowledge with that. So I'm really good with the swing trades and long-term, so that's what I do. So on here, let's go back to Thinkorswim. So my trades that I'm taking for this week, I got into UGAZ, that's UGAZ, and this one here I got in around 54.80, and I did add more around 54.90. So I'm just getting into these inverse ETFs. These are little volatile ones. They are 3x, and looking at the 180 days, it's very oversold and it's below. The MACD is just going green, so I want to look for that 65 push. I did get in early over here, but looking at these previous levels over here, it's testing that again. That low was 48.8, and it did go up over there. I did get the buy alert last time, about 52.88. So I am looking for that same level, and I got in a little high, but I'm going to be testing these out. I didn't go in with too big of a size, because I see that people are trading these like on and off, so I did want to try that, see how that goes. So looking at the 30 days, this is perfect right here. That's about to break over that breakout line, and that's a 50 EMA, and this is a 200 EMA. So over that 65 range would definitely be an entry position, and above 70 right there would definitely, it's going to break out after that, and that's confirmation on that one. But right now I just took a starting position over here just for that quick trade, so I might be selling this week. I'm looking for about 60 to sell. Any more would be great. And the next one I'm going to show you over here. That one is going to be JNUG, and I've been looking at this one. This tracks the gold basically, not directly, but it is correlated with it. And this is an inverse of JDST, and people trade these on and off, so I'm just trying to get into this. And looking at the 180 day, looking at 14 on that line right there, about 14.22. Once it breaks that, it's going to be perfect swing right up, maybe about to 16 right there, 200 EMA line. And the MACD just did go positive, and looking at the RSI, it did go up. So MACD is just right there. so it might go to around 16 and come back down and then go back up more. And looking at this on the 30-day, I did get the buy alert over there, but since I just started looking at these type of ETFs, looking at 13, that would have been a great entry. Around 1350 would have been perfect, but I'm just gonna wait for a little pullback on this one. So I'm just testing out these inverse ETFs because people do trade these on and off, and instead of trading like I do on my swing trades, like AMD or just other ETFs, and I'm just testing this out. So these are my two picks for this week. That's JNUG, JNUG, and UGAZ, UGAZ. I will be calling them out in my chat room, so join that. It's completely free, and stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my new videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care.